Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. James appeals members of Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union to go back to work. Local leaders of All India Trinamool Congress sensitize boot workers on the policy of the party. All India Trinamool Congress strengthens and stretches its arm in the Garo Hills. And no response from authorities to combined agitation. And now the news in detail. Health Minister James K. Sangma, while talking to media persons on July 29, has made an urgent call and appeal to members of Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union to stop agitating and start attending duties as the state is witnessing the rise of COVID-19 cases in the last few days. He also said that he had explained and made things very clear in a recent meeting with the office bearers of the union, the concern and the plight that they have gone through. He also said that the service of the MRI 108 is very important for those who urgently need help in times of health-related emergencies. The government is trying its best to put a halt on the rise of COVID-19, so also people connected with providing service towards this cause should share their concerns, he said.
Which requires 24/7 attention, and this is of a nature which involves emergencies. So therefore, this kind of services are best operated, as has been seen in the entire country, by operators who are well versed and experienced in this. And that is the reason why we are also going for a fresh tender, wherein we will be engaging new agency or company to run these services.
Local leaders of the All India Trinamool Congress AITC on July 29 organized Boot Committee meeting at Nikwadgre area in South Tura, where Shri Charming Stone Moment Boot President Safot N. Sangma District Coordinator Chongsin Shira and Srimati Margaret T. Sangma spoke and sensitized the local people on the objectives, aims and policy of the AITC for the people of Meghalaya in general and for Garo Hills in particular. TMC Meghalaya is expanding its base through back-to-back meetings all across Garo Hills, where the party is reaching out to more people with their day-to-day concerns and challenges. TMC Boot Committees organized 3 grassroots meetings in Wadanang, Chokpot and Gambigre. A block-level meeting at Wadanang North Tura, where local leaders Rolling Stone Moment and Romulash Marak were present along with other party members and supporters. The event witnessed a good turnout, notably the women from the constituency discussed local issues with TMC block committee members. TMC leader took a dig at the NPP-led MDA government and said that Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma NPP government has proven its inefficiently and is filled with corruption. Another set of organizational meetings were held at Chokpot and Gambigre in South Garo Hills. The Chokpot meeting was presided over by Lazarus Sangma, TMC MLA of Chokpot, along with Working Bloc President Dipur CH Sangma. Chokpot MLA Lazarus Sangma assured that the party will bring better governance for the people of Meghalaya. Other local leaders present at the meeting were Sadhya M. Sangma, MDC, Vainyat Sangma and Polbin Sangma. These meetings are in preparation for the people in the coming state elections 2023.
Talo na si mama change mo. Hay din kam ja ko ka na. Ni na si mama mo na naging. Chongbotan at chengko. Wara chakma ke sungan yo no protocol ya ha je mo pa chi ko blakan na de. Tao every individually you angkachi ko siya yung joba. Antang ni pian ma siya chi experience Simang sa kantiyan, kampu kae mga mole na jem ya na simang ara jem baksa kutul sa no pamen ma kampu ka pamen ma ang ara simang sila skema.
The third phase of agitation by the combined NGOs of William Nagar has ended on July 29. The NGOs started agitation from July 26 to 29. There has been no response either from Government of Meghalaya or MEECL authorities. The GSU President Saljarang Tengrik Marak informed that the future course of action will be discussed and decided in the meeting of the combined NGOs of William Nagar to be held on July 30th.
libang sang akan gene akan gene acik cakko ni cikeno no tunuk daben mona sunne acik cakko no tunuk daben mone aro oi skangbo honda sindak sinamo acik cakko acik cakko acik cakko acik cakko 중나 가렌고 중나 가렌고 중나 가렌고 중나 가렌고.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.